Hey everyone, my name is Rosika and welcome back to my channel Learn with Rosika. In the previous video, we covered the solution of question number 3 to question number 6 of exercise 1.1 of chapter 1, that is real numbers of NCERT class 10 mathematics book. In this video, we will cover not only question number 7, but I will teach to solve the same kind of questions. Over here only one type is provided. I have taken few other questions from other books so that you will have practice on how to solve if you get these kind of questions in your exams. So let's start. Before starting, do like the video, and if you want to learn maths hassle-free, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. First, let us understand what the question says. It says there is a circular path around a sports field. First of all, let us make a circular path. Okay. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. For example, let's say Sonia starts over here. For her to complete one round of the field, it takes 18 minutes. And while Ravi takes 12 minutes. For Sonia, it is 18 minutes and for Ravi, it is 12 minutes. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time. Both of them are starting from here. Both of them are going in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Now over here, what we have to understand is the solution is simple. Either you have to take out HCF or LCM, but you have to understand where to find HCF and in which question you have to find LCM. So in this question, first try to understand what you have to do. If you have to go to a number higher than this, or if you have to multiply these numbers, or if you have to divide these numbers. In this case, the question is asking how many minutes, after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point. So Sonia, in the first round, after 18 minutes, Sonia will reach here, but Ravi, who has a speed greater than Sonia, because he completes one revolution in 12 minutes, so Ravi will already cross this starting point and maybe reach somewhere over here. That means Ravi has completed in 18 minutes. Sonia is in starting point and Ravi is starting point plus something. So this is Ravi, some distance. Okay, let me see, this is x distance. So in one revolution it is not possible for them to meet in the same location. Now it has to go to the second revolution. So the moment you find out that you have to go with the second revolution, that means you have to find a number which is greater than both of them. So if it is greater than both of them, what you have to do is find the LCM of both the numbers. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now we will find LCM of both the numbers, that is 12 and 18. Two into 9 is 18 and 3 into 3 is. For 12 it is 2 into 2 into 3. For 18 it is 2 into 3 into 3. Or we can write it in the form 2 square into 3 and 2 into 3 square. For LCM we have to take the highest powers. So 2 square into 3 square. That would lead us to 36 minutes, which is your answer. So after 36 minutes, Ravi and Sonia will meet at the starting point at the same time. Now exercise 1.1 is finished from the book, but I have taken some questions, as I have mentioned earlier, to make you understand where to apply LCM and on which questions to apply HCF. Here we have another question which says the maximum number of students among whom 1001 pens and 910 pencils can be distributed in such a way that each student gets the same number of pens and same number of pencils. What the question is conveying to us is that there are 1001 pens and 910 pencils, and these pens and pencils needs to be distributed among the students in such a way that each student will get same number of pens and same number of pencils. Here we can see in the question, it is asking to distribute us, or it is asking us to decrease the number of pens and pencils than the number given in the question. In this case, we have to apply HCF. Whenever the number is being distributed or the number is getting decreased in the answer, you have to apply HCF in this case. So first of all, the same way, using prime factorization method, we will solve these numbers, or we will try to find the factors of these numbers. This is divisible by 7, which will give us 1, 4, 3. This is again divisible by 11. Okay, for 910 it is divisible by 2, since this is an even number. Again with 5, that is 91, and with 7 it gives 13. So we can see over here that for 1001 it is 7 into 11 into 13, and for 910 it is 2 into 5 into 7 into 13. Here we can see that 7 and 13 are the common factors. That means HCF equals to 7 into 13, which is your answer. If the number of students is 91, then 1001 pen and 910 pencils can be distributed equally among all the students. So here is another question. There are 4 metal rods whose lengths are 78, 104, 117 and 169 centimeters are to be cut into parts of equal length. These rods are to be cut into parts of equal length. What we have to find is, find the length of each piece. Find the length of each piece and find the total number of pieces. What is the condition? The length of each piece should be of equal length. So over here as well, what we have to do is we have to cut these numbers, right? We have to decrease the number from this provided in the question, and we also have to find the total number of pieces. So over here, since the numbers are decreasing, we will do HCF, or we will find out HCF of these numbers. So for that, what we have to do is prime factorization method. Yes, 2 into 39 is 78. Again, 3 into 13 is 39. Here we have 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 2 is 4, again 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 6 is 12, and 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. This is a number which, this is a tricky number. This is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 into 9 is 27. Again, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9. This is a square of 30. So we can directly write it 13 into 30. Here, to find the HCF, what we have to find? We have to find the highest common factor of these numbers. 13. What we can see is 13 is the only common factor that we have over here, which gives us HCF equals to the length of each piece will be your 13 centimeter. This covers the first part of the question. Now we will move to the second one, that is total number of pieces. To find total number of pieces, what we will do is we will add all of these numbers. 8. This is the total length of the rod, which needs to be divided with 13. So therefore, total number of pieces will be 468 divided by 13, that is 36 pieces. I hope you have understood the question, and now you know where to apply HCF and where to apply LCM in these kind of questions where we have problems in the word form, where you have to understand what the question actually says and what kind of solution you have to apply for it. If you have any questions of these kind in which you are stuck, you are confused whether to apply HCF or LCM, you can comment down those questions so that I can read them and I will try my best to provide fruitful solutions to you. So we will meet again in the next video with the next exercise or next questions. Till then, subscribe to my channel, learn maths hassle free, and bye bye.